Ever pondered the art of crafting a delicious vegan ice cream at home? Well, sit back and get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will lead you to a delightful destination of creaminess and flavor. The star of today's show is a mouth-watering vegan ice cream made with almond milk, bananas, cocoa powder, and dates. To start this journey, gather all the necessary ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a half cup of pitted dates. The first step involves preparing the bananas. Slice them into small pieces and then place them in the freezer. They need to stay there until they are absolutely frozen, which usually takes about 2 hours, but leaving them overnight works wonderfully as well. Meanwhile, soak the half cup of pitted dates in warm water. They should be left soaking for at least 30 minutes, which will make them soft and easy to blend. Now it's time to bring out the blender. Place the frozen banana slices, the softened dates, cocoa powder, and almond milk into the blender. Blend these ingredients until they reach a smooth consistency. This is the point where creativity takes the lead. Feel free to add in optional ingredients like vanilla extract or a pinch of sea salt to further enhance the flavor. Once everything is well blended, transfer the mixture into a container. This container then needs to take a chill trip into the freezer for about 5 to 6 hours, or until the mixture solidifies into a creamy ice cream. And there you have it, a delicious homemade vegan ice cream made with simple, wholesome ingredients. To recap, it all starts with freezing banana slices and soaking dates. Then blend these along with cocoa powder and almond milk until smooth. Add any optional flavors and freeze until it becomes a delightful ice cream. This vegan ice cream, crafted with almond milk, bananas, cocoa powder, and dates, is not just a treat for the palate, but also a treat for the soul. It's a testament to the fact that deliciousness doesn't have to come at the cost of health or ethics. So go ahead and indulge in this sweet journey of making your own vegan ice cream. Enjoy the process, and most importantly, enjoy the creamy, delicious result.